Hello, boys and girls. This is day one of phonics for this week of April 6th, and today we are going to identify words with long vowel I sound using a poem. So first, let's just review. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and each has two sounds. The short sounds of A, E, I, O, U are A, E, O, and Now for the long sound, we say its name. So the long sounds are A, E, I, O, and U. Now we're going to focus on one vowel this week. Yes, last week we focused on long vowel A. This week we're going to focus on long vowel I. Long vowel I has two sounds again. First one is short, just like in the word sit. It's a short sound. Now the other sound is long sound, just like in the word eyes. So one is I and one is I. So this is the poem that we're going to use today. The title is Long I. You can read along with me if you want. Let's start with the title. Long I, long I, long I have an idea. I can ride my bike and fly a kite. I can light the fire in the moonlight. I can bake a pie and cut it into a slice. Can you give me a high five? So now this is the time that you can get a paper or any writing materials. So we can make a list of all the words from the poem and then write all those words with long vowel I sound on our paper. So every time we make a list, we want to put a title for that. So for this one, we're going to write long I. Okay. So let's start with the title. So we'll go from the top to the bottom. We'll try to read each line or read a sentence and then get all those words with the long vowel I sound. So let's start with the title long I. So from the title, I said the word I, and I means I myself. And I heard that I said its name, so I'm going to write it down on my list, just like this. And then the next line is long I, long I. Now long does not have a long I sound, but the I we already wrote that there, so we don't need to write that again. Now in the next line, I have an idea. The word have does not have a long I sound, also the word an. Now, but the word idea, its first sound has a long vowel I because we said the name of the letter I. So we're going to write idea. Okay. Now, I can ride my bike. So here can does not have the long I sound. The word ride has a long I sound. I, d. So we're going to write the word ride on our list and also the word bike, I, k. So we'll write the word bike. And fly a kite. The word fly has a long I sound, so let's write that down. And the word kite has a long I sound, so go ahead and write the word kite. You can hit pause if it's going too fast. Okay. Now, in the next one, I can light the fire in the moonlight. Like I said, we already have it on our list. Can does not have a long I sound. Light, L-I-T. So I said the long I sound in the middle of the word. So we'll go write that down too. The does not have a long I sound. The word fire has a long I sound. So I'm going to write the word fire. Now in, in has a short I sound, so we're not including that in our list. The does not have it, and then the moonlight. Now moonlight, it's a compound word. It's like two words put together. And now the second part of it, the second syllable of it makes the long I sound. So we're going to include that in our list, because it makes the long vowel I sound. I can bake a pie and cut it into a slice. So bake has a long A sound. If you remember from our lesson last week, it has a long A sound, but this one is long I list, so we're not going to add that there. Now pie makes I hear the long I sound, so we're going to add that in our list. And also the word slice. Now in the last sentence, can you give me a high five? What are the two words there that makes the long vowel I sound? Go ahead and write it down and then hit pause. And then take your time to figure out the word that has a long I sound. And then when you're done, those are the words slice, high, and five. Now, and also I forgot to mention, I forgot the other word there in the third line, the word my. If you sound out my, I, it also makes a long vowel I sound. So we're going to write the word my and include it in our list. So here you go. These are the long I words with long I sound from our poem. And as you can see, they have different spelling patterns, and we'll talk about that later on. I think it's on the third day or fourth day. Okay, and again, we identified the words with the long vowel I sound. We use a poem, and you might encounter some words also in other like books or texts. And go ahead and feel proud that you are able to listen to the sound and point out the word. Okay, thank you.